Hey, what's up everybody, this is me, Huge of Hot Wheels, and today we have a lot of cars to look at, so let's go straight to the cars, right? What else we have to talk about? Nothing, just cars, Hot Wheels. But first of all, I would like to thank everybody for joining me here today, and thank you very much for watching the video, liking it if you will like it, and subscribing to the channel. I appreciate your attention so much, guys. Thank you very much again. So first of all, I want to start with some Ferrari. Probably some of them you have already seen, but these are my favorite Ferraris from Hot Wheels, and I'm getting them. I'm building up a huge collection, and unfortunately I'm starting to realize that there is not enough cars. I mean, there is an end. That's what I have recently realized. So cars are continuing to repeat for my collection. I'm looking for the new ones always, but I cannot find the new ones, but I always see like a good deal for the one that I already have. And of course I have to get it because some cars I have only one, some cars I have like in different color. Let's for example, this beautiful 458 Spider. I already know that this one is one of the most beautiful ones, 458 Spiders from Hot Wheels. There is also one in red one, there is one in yellow with hard top with these wheels. There are many others with different wheels, black ones, blue ones, but these are the best, and the Spider is one of the greatest. But there is only this one. There is more different Ferraris, but you know, they are not endless. We have to wait until something else, something really nice comes out. So we have that 458, we have the 599 GTB right there. We have another 599 XX. I have around 10 of these. They're right there. You can, if you can see them, some of them right there. We got more, and like, yeah, you know, the stable is huge, and all of the Hot Wheels are on the table, a lot of it, but under the table there is really mess, guys. There's like huge IKEA boxes filled with cars, and we have to go through them and like just like kind of refresh what we have in the collection, right? So we got the 599s, we got the 458s. What else I got here for you today? We got a couple of Skylines. Oh wait, we have another Ferrari. I forgot to mention this one. This is 458 as well, but it's not that cool. Not that cool as this one because of the wheels, probably. Like, there are Bugattis with the same wheels, and these are just regular plastic wheels. Yeah, but like from here, even from here, they're kind of different, right? Like, you cannot see on the black one all these details you can see on the yellow one. So yeah, but both of these are 458s. So we got the Ferraris, right? What else? We got Skylines. This Skyline GTR R32. I don't know, this one is beautiful in my mind. Nissan, and this huge Nissan logo is so cool. I love this car. I honestly love it. This is something truly special to me. It's not that expensive, like $5. What can I tell? But look at that. We got the R34 here and R32 in the same color. Here's the color is the same, guys, but if I'm not mistaken, this one's correct. Yep, this one's broken. Anyways, two Nissans right there. We have another DeLorean DMC hover mode. Look at that. We got small wheels right there, and these wheels are just here for no. They don't move. They're just like part of the car. All right. And we have, what else we have for today's video? We have two super treasure hunts. The first one is, I don't know if you're familiar with this one, but this one is the older one, Super Treasure Hunt Corvette C6R. Treasure Hunts treasure hunts, but it's got real rubber tires and gold beautiful wheels. And there is also this car in a regular version, so this makes this one Super Treasure Hunt from back from 2006. So yeah, I guess in 2006 treasure hunts were different Super Treasure Hunts, but here's we have one from nowadays, and this one is factory sealed 2018 set 52 Chevy. And what a beast, what a beautiful thing. Look at this color, this is such a beautiful color, such beautiful wheels. We got rubber tires, and overall one of the best Super Treasure Hunts from 2018. Unfortunately, I'm not a big fan of this car. I was really trying my best and really trying hard to find one of these in stores by myself, but I was not lucky, so I had to purchase them on eBay. And sometimes I get a very good deal and they go for like 20 bucks, something like that. But yeah, like $20 for a Super Treasure Hunt, it's not bad. This one is cheaper though. Alright, so I guess that's it for today, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Many more videos are coming soon, so please consider subscribing and liking this video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Yeah, put the huge likes.